Hi dear students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. In the last class, we were discussing about optimizing IP for IoT, and we were discussing about the different technologies that can be optimized for IoT. And in this session, we'll be discussing about the RPL network. RPL means Routing Protocol for Low Power and Loosey Networks. It is a routing protocol for wireless networks with low power consumption, and it is generally for packets which are loosely packed. And this RPL network routing is performed at the IP layer. Each node examines these packets and determine about the next hop destination. ഇതിന്റെ ഹെഡറിന്റെ ഇൻഫർമേഷന്റെ ബേസിസിലാണ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഹോപ്പ് ഡെസ്റ്റിനേഷൻ ഏത് അഡ്രസ്സിലോട്ടാണ് പോകേണ്ടതെന്നുള്ളത് ഡിറ്റർമൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് നോ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ഫ്രം ദ മാക് ലെയർ ഹെഡർ ഈസ് നീഡഡ് ടു determine about the destination, about the next hop. The RPL has two modes of operation, that is storing mode and non-storing mode. Storing mode means fully stateful, and non-storing means fully source routed mode. In non-storing cases, a packet will go to the DODAC route and then be sent to the destination. In storing mode, a packet can be sent directly to the destination by a common parent between the source and the destination. This RPL is based on the concept of a directed acyclic graph. A DAG is a directed graph where no cycles exist. And a DAG means in this graph, it is impossible to traverse the entire graph starting at one edge. From this figure, we can see that there is no way that we can start from a node and end in the same node. നമുക്ക് ഈ ഫിഗർ വെച്ചിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാകും ഒരു നോഡിൽ നിന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം ആ നോഡിൽ തന്നെ തിരിച്ചെത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പാത്ത് അതിനകത്തില്ല. അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയാ DAG, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡയറക്റ്റഡ് അസൈക്ലിക് ഗ്രാഫ്. ദർ ഇസ് നോ സൈക്കിൾസ് എക്സിസ്റ്റ്. അതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് RPL നെറ്റ്വർക്ക്സ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. The RPL has mechanisms for loop detection and DODAG repairs. The traffic flows between the nodes that RPL supports are point to multi-point, then multi-point to point, and point to point. A basic RPL process involves building a destination-oriented directed acyclic graph, that is DODAG. A DODAG is a DAG routed to one destination, and in RPL, this destination occurs at a border router known as the DODAG route. And we can see two figures, that is comparing the DAG and DODAG. And we can see a DAG has multiple routes and DODAG has only one route. In a DODAG, each node maintains up to 3 parents. That is, the parents will be selected according to the node that can provide the best path without forming a cycle. ഒരു സൈക്കിൾ ഫോം ചെയ്യാതെ ബെസ്റ്റ് പാത്ത് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന നോട്ട്സിനെയാണ് വിൽ ബി ടേക്കിംഗ് ആസ് എ പാരന്റ് നോട്ട്സ്. ആൻഡ് ദീസ് പാരന്റ് നോട്ട്സ് ആർ പൊസിഷൻഡ് ഫർദർ അവേ ഫ്രം ദ border router. And the main RPL, there are 3 control messages from the RPL, and they are DIS, DIO, DAO. DIS means DODAG information solicitation, then DODAG information object, that means DIO, then DAO means destination advertisement object. In this DIS, DODAG information solicitation information, it is provided along with the node to know about the routing information. Okay, for neighbor nodes loader routing information pass ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് DIS and DIO. That is, it will be containing the information that a node uses to discover an RPL instances. Then next one is DAO. DAO allows us for the propagation of destination information upward through the DODAC, and a destination advertisement object acknowledgement will be sent back in response to DAO. Next is about the objective function. An objective function defines how a DODAC is formed with the main goal of getting the best path to the DODAC route. Okay, that is without cycles ഒരു best path create ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് objective functionന്റെ main objective. And next is the rank. Rank is based on according to DODAC, that is destination oriented directed acyclic graph. The tree topology, it is a tree topology. It is based on the tree topology protocol. And here the source node select the set of parent node in which each node selects the preferred parent node based on the better rank value. That is, cycles ഒന്നും ഫോം ചെയ്യാതെ തന്നെ ഒരു ബെസ്റ്റ് പാത്ത് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഈ RPL. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ബെസ്റ്റ് റാങ്ക് ഉള്ളത്, ബെറ്റർ വാല്യൂ ഉള്ളതിനെ ആയിരിക്കും സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇസ് എ new version, that is RPL option. And this RPL option provides a mechanism to include routing information with each datagram that are router forwards. While receiving datagrams that include routing information, the RPL routers processes the routing information to help and maintain the routing topology. So, the detection വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് RPL option use ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Some of the protocols that the RPL defines, that is, some of the matrices that the RPL defines to support powered and battery powered nodes are: first one is expected transmission count, that is ETX. That this session assigns a discrete value to the number of transmissions a node accepts to deliver a packet. The next is a next matrix is a hope count, that is to track the number of hopes made to transfer a message or a packet. Then next is a latency. It varies depending on the power conservation, that is path with the lower latency are preferred. Next is link quality level. Measures the reliability of a link by taking into account the packet error rates caused by factors such as signal and interferences. Some more matrices are link color, node state and attribute, node energy, and the throughput. So we can check the link color. Link color allows manual influence of routing by administratively setting values to make a link more or less desirable. The node state and node attribute means it identifies nodes that function as traffic agitators and nodes that are being impacted by high workloads. Next is the node energy. It avoids nodes with low power. So a battery powered node that is running out of energy can be avoided, and the life of that node and the network can be prolonged. Next is a throughput. It provides the amount of throughput for a node link. So here is assignment question. Explain RPL network in IoT.